How to take a full-page screenshot on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. Once you're on the page, take a screenshot. As you can see, at the bottom left corner of the screen the preview of the screenshot appears. When you tap on the preview, you will be taken to the screenshot editing page. At the top, tap on the full page option to capture the entire length of the web page. You can preview the full page on the right. Once ready, tap Done at the top left corner. As you can see, a menu will pop up. From the menu that appears, select Save to Photos. Now, go back to the home screen and open up the Photos app as shown. Select on the photo you just took a screenshot of. Opening the photo, you can see it captured the entire length of the web page. Following these steps, you can easily take a full-page screenshot on an iPhone.